Hi guys, so if you are struggling with getting your desired scores in IELTS or TOEFL, why don't you try PT? I know some universities doesn't accept PTE scores, but before you take the PTE test, check with your uni and whether they accept PT or not, and then try attempting PT because I've taken IELTS and TOEFL and PT, and I found PT to be relatively easier. So these are my scores on the screen. I've taken PT recently, and my score overall is 8 equivalent, 81. I got 2815 in listening and writing, and in reading and speaking I've missed 8 by 1 point and 2 points respectively, because 79 in PT is 8 in IELTS. So yeah, just try attempting PT for a change.